So the next question, phase 1, stoichiometric redox reaction. Question number 12. The volume of oxygen which used when X gram of zinc is converted to ZnO is. So we'll write the reaction zinc plus O2 gives you ZnO. Try to balance the reaction. So ZnO 2 times O, 2 times zinc. This means 2 moles of zinc react with 1 mole of oxygen. They've asked the volume of oxygen. So we need to calculate moles of zinc first. X gram divided by 65. That is the molecular weight, atomic weight of zinc. The moles reacting produce Y moles of oxygen. So if I can try to cross multiply and calculate the value of Y, it will be 2Y equals to X upon 65 and Y equals to X upon 65 into 2 moles. According to the Avogadro law, we know that 1 mole of any gas occupied how much volume? 22.4 liter volume at STP. So 22.4 liter volume STP. So Y will be how much volume oxygen? X upon 65 into 2 multiplied by 22.4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 is 4. Final answer 11.2 X divided by 65. 11.2x. If I see the option 5.6 multiplied by 2 is 11.2x divided by 65. A will be the correct answer. So 11.2x divided by 65. Yeah, so A answer. Thank you.